Well, everybody, you said you want a chicken dish. We're going to make a chicken dish. And said chicken dish is, did I say said chicken dish? The chicken dish is going to be a dish that is kind of expensive when you order it in a restaurant, but not nearly as expensive when you make it at home. And that's the case with most dishes. Don't be a troublemaker at the beginning of the video. Anyway, it's going to be chicken Florentine. Now, that basically refers to chicken, and Florentine refers to being cooked with spinach. At least that's what it said on Wikipedia. Anyway, let's get started. So this is one of those situations where I'm actually going to pan fry the chicken. And you're familiar with our butterfly chicken breast with the usual seasonings on both sides. So what we'll do next is, what? Why didn't I pound the meat? Oh, you must be thinking of that chicken cordon bleu video. See, I only pound the meat really thin when I'm stuffing it, you know, like the chicken cordon bleu. I really don't think you need to pound it for this. So, what? Speaking of pounding the meat, hey, family channel. Anyway, while this chicken is frying, that'll be just enough time for me to make some delicious Mornay sauce, if you please. Now we're gonna, what? What's Mornay sauce? Mornay sauce is a cheese sauce that originated from, you know, I don't know exactly where it originated from because it's kind of debatable. And, but I call this Mornay sauce because I want to differentiate it from the regular cheese sauce that I use for like mac and cheese, for example. Oh, speaking of cheese, I like to use two kinds of cheese in my Mornay sauce. Oh, and there's mushrooms in there too. That's what I like to use for chicken Florentine. What? Yeah, I know chicken Florentine refers to spinach. I'm adding that in a minute. Anyway, I like to use two different kinds of cheese. There's some Parmesan and some mozzarella in there. Now, I'm going to finish the chicken right in the sauce. Why do I keep pulling it away from pointing to it? Anyway, I'm going to finish the chicken right in the sauce, and I'm going to add the spinach too. And in 2 more minutes of simmering, that is, it should be time for eating. There we are. And if you don't want to finish it in the sauce, you can just pour the sauce on top later. I just think it tastes better if the chicken is finished in the sauce. Let me tell you something. I've heard of chicken Florentine a few times. I wasn't exactly sure what it was. Then I looked it up and I'm like, oh yeah, I can make that. And it's a good thing I did make that because it's some delicious thing to make. I should have thought something more clever. That is going to do it. And you know by now where to find the recipe. Thanks for being with me. Huh? Oh, sorry. I was just waiting for you to ask what this is. What do you mean you don't care? Care. Oh, you do care. That's better. Now, this right here is rainbow pasta salad. Got the inspiration from my mother. Don't you want to know how to make it? I said care. That's right. Now, let me show you how to make that real quick. So you're already familiar with how I make rotini. So what we'll do is, what? Yeah, this does look a little different than the normal rotini. This is tricolored rotini. You can use regular rotini, but the reason why I use tricolored rotini and rainbow pasta salad is because, well, of all the different colors, it reminds me more of a rainbow. That could be a reason too. Anyway, now we'll add a couple boiled eggs and some pimentos, which I've never bought before, but they do work well in this salad. We're also going to add some cheese, but before we add that cheese, we are going to add diced peppers. Now, it may seem kind of odd to put raw peppers in salad, but trust me, it works. And, you know, another thing is that you'll notice it's not just green pepper in here, there's also red, orange, and yellow pepper. And the reason why there's so many different colors is because I want to continue to add a rainbow element, and okay, that's enough of that. Anyway, we're going to be additionally innovative with the cheese in the form of Marble Jack cheese cubes. And yeah, you're right, these are a little large to put into a salad, aren't they? Excuse me a moment. That's more like it. And we're going to add this to the salad along with the seasonings and dressing, and then voila. Oh, what do we have here? Why, it's a fork. A tasting fork. Isn't everything a tasting fork? I always blow on things out of habit. You know, I'd really like to take all the credit for this salad, but you know, I had to give props to my mother. And this is probably the most unique salad I've ever tasted. And it is delicious, so Mom, thanks for giving me the idea. Love you. Now then, as I was saying, thanks for being with me. I see you again soon. And oh, one more thing about the pasta salad. See, it's great that I call it rainbow because I use tricolor pasta, which is not only innovative, it's integrated. See, it's integrated because tricolor means there are different colors. And wait. See, now, the chicken Florentine, that's integrated too because the spinach is green and the sauce is white, more or less. And the chicken is also white. Well, on the inside, it's not really white on the outside, but it... Oh, wait. Hey. My shirt. People give me compliments about my new shirt here, see? And that's also integrated because they're different colors, and I'll see you again soon. You know, do people even call their food integrated? Because